Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about class 2 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition. Let's remember one. Okay, page number 9. So here we have learnt naming words, describing words and action words earlier. Do you know? Okay, naming words. Naming word means noun. Okay, then describing words. Describing words adjectives. Then action word means doing words, or we call verbs. Okay, so here are some examples of naming words. Girl. Okay, then lion, man, mitra, nina, toy, basket, garden, gateway of India. So there are some common nouns and also proper nouns here. Okay, so proper nouns always starts with a capital letter. How to identify the common noun and proper noun? Okay, so here look at this. Here girl, that means here G is written in small letter, so this is a common noun. Then lion, here L is written in small, this is common noun. Then here man, M is written in small letter, this is common noun. Here mitra, here M starts with a capital letter. Okay, here this is a proper noun. Okay, so how to identify common and proper noun? Proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Okay, so similarly here Nina, this is the name of a girl, and here N is written in capital, so this is a proper noun. Clear? Similarly toy, toy is written in small letter, this is common noun. Okay, here basket, B is written in small letter, this is common noun. Here G is written in small letter, this is also common noun. And gateway of India, this is a proper noun. Okay, here this is starts with a capital letter G. Clear? Then here next describing words. Here, so here look at this example. This red dress is so beautiful. Okay, so here red. So here red is a describing word because it describe about the dress. Which types of color? What color is the dress? The color of the dress is red. So here red is also describing word, or adjective. Okay, beautiful. Here beautiful is also adjective. It describe about the dress. Okay, so in this sentence you find there are two adjectives, red and also beautiful. Clear? Then large, this is also adjective. Thin, red, curly, bright, dull, white, ugly, small, these are describing words. It describe about noun or pronoun. Okay, then next action words. Action verb or doing words. Throw, catch, run, kick, play, swim. It tells about what the subject does in a sentence. I play. So here action word is play. Okay, similarly I write. So here write is action word. What is the subject doing? Okay, so here read these words in the box below, put them under the correct headings. So here sugar. Sugar, it is naming words. So you have to write sugar in this column. Okay, then tea. Tea, this is the name. Okay, naming word. So you have to write in this column, naming words. Then soft. Okay, soft, describing words. Okay, so you have to write in this column, describe. Soft in describing words. So you have to write here. Okay, describing words, soft. The next Anis. Anis is the name of a boy. Here A is in capital letter. This is proper noun. So you have to write here naming words here. Okay, here. Then next jump. Jump is action word. So you have to write here in action words column. Then market, it is the name. Okay, M is written in small letter. This is common noun, so you have to write here naming words. Then next climb. Climb is action word, so you have to write here. Okay, then sing. Sing is also action word, so you have to write in this column. Then next tall. Tall, he is tall. Rohan is tall. I am tall. Tall is a describing word, so you have to write here. Okay, then small. This is a small garden. Small is a describing word. Okay, so you have to write here. Play, play is action word, so you have to write in this column. And happy, adjective, or we call describing words, so you have to write here happy. Okay, four here, four naming words, four describing words, and four action words. Clear? Then next here, read aloud these lines with actions. Okay, so there are two sentences here. These are Paul's glasses. Okay, so here the sign is called as apostrophic. Okay, this is Paul's cap. Clear? So here, this is the way Paul folds his glasses and lays them on his lap. Okay, here. So read the lines on page number 9 again to find out. What each sentence begins with. Yes, a capital letter. So here T also starts with a capital letter, and here these T also starts with a capital letter. Here this T also starts with a capital letter. Okay, so here what each sentence begins with, a capital letter. Okay, what each sentence ends with. Yes, so here the sentence ends with a full stop. Okay, here. Okay, and here also. Okay, full stop. What each sentence ends with. Yes, full stop. And how the boy's name is spelled. The boy's name, Paul. Okay, here you have to write here Paul. Okay, then next here, read these sentences below, look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. Okay, so here it rains a lot in August. I cannot fly. Okay, here look at the picture, there are more than one kite, so you have to write here kites, not kite. Okay, in the rain, so I make a paper boats. There are three boats, so you have to write boat, second one. Okay, boats. Then next, I make a boats from newspaper. You have to write here newspaper, not newspapers. Okay, suppose take an example. There is a newspaper on the table. Okay, on the table. So you can here write a newspaper in plural form. There are newspapers, okay, on the table. So in this way, newspaper can be changed into plural form. So here newspaper is singular, and here newspapers are written in plural. But in this sentence, okay, so here in this sentence you have to write singular. Okay, so you can find here from the Collins dictionary. Okay, so here uncountable noun consist of pieces of old newspapers, especially when they are being used for another purpose, such as wrapping things up. He found two parts, each wrapped in newspaper, not newspapers. Okay, so you have to use here newspaper. Then next, I also use many. So many plural. So you have to write colors. To look at the picture, there are many colors. Okay. To paint my boats. Yes, so here plural. So you have to write boats, not boat. Then next, I sell my boats in the river, not rivers. Okay, first one. Near my house, not houses. First one. Okay, clear? Then next, use a pronoun to replace the words in bold in the second part of each sentence. So here, Shibam is a good cook. Shibam cooks dinner for the whole family. So you have to use pronoun, okay, in place of the bold letter. The word here Shibam is written in bold letter. So you have to change Shibam and use pronoun. Shibam is a good cook. He cooks. Okay, so you have to write here he cooks dinner for the whole family. Okay, Priti is the best swimmer in her school. Priti leads the basketball team too. Priti leads the basketball team too. Again Priti is written. Priti is the name of a girl. You have to write here she. Okay, she leads the basketball team too. Okay, Then next year the birds have gone to the south. The birds will come back next month. The birds, plural. Okay, so you have to write they. Clear? They will come back next month. Okay. Then next here, these girls are in the school. These girls play football. Here girls in plural. So you have to write here they. Okay, they play football. Then next, mom said, Rabi, come here. I have something for you. Okay, you have to write here you. Clear? Then next, Abhinash said, Abhinash will buy a toy boat. Abhinash said, I will buy. I is used for Abhinash. Okay. The soldiers are marching in the parade. The soldiers are brave. They are brave. So you have to use pronoun in place of the soldiers. Okay. So the soldiers are in plural. So you have to use here they. Okay. They are brave. Clear? Then next here, choose the correct prepositions to fill in the blanks. So here, my skateboard is dash the top of the cupboard. Is on. Okay. First one here. We stood dash at the ticket counter to buy tickets. At the ticket counter, here we are talking about address. Okay, at the gate. Okay, at the ticket counter. The next year, I shall keep all the chocolates in the drawer. In, that means inside something. I shall keep all the chocolates in the drawer. No one can see them. Okay, then next year I can see an insect. Okay, in the flower. Second one, the flower is dash the bed. The flower is on the bed. First one. I shall put some water dash the vase. In the vase. Okay. I shall sleep dash 10 o'clock. Time is given, so you have to use your at. Okay, at 5 o'clock, at 6 o'clock. Okay, similarly, at noon, at night. Okay, then next here, complete these sentences using this, that, these, those. You can use these words in more than one sentence. Okay, so this plural, these. This is singular and this is plural. Similarly, that is singular and those is used for plural. Okay, and this is used for nearer object and that is used for far object. Okay, so here dash is my new dog. This is my new dog. I am taking her for a walk. Okay, this singular. This is my dog. We are now passing by the moon. Here stars plural. So you have to use your plural. Those stars are far away. That means we are talking about a distance. Far away. Dash book on the cupboard is mine. That book. That means here we are talking about a far object. Okay. Silla threw it up there. There means far object. So you have to use here that, not this. I got all dash books as my birthday presents. I got all these books. Okay. Then next, of all the presents, I like this box. Singular. You have to use your this box of crayons. The best. Okay. Then next, all the balloons are flying high. Look at that big. That means we are talking about a far object. All the balloons are flying high. That means they are the far object. So you have to use here that big yellow. Look at that big yellow balloon. Okay, clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.